People asked and I finally did it. I added custom functions to ShadowTraffic, which allows you to extend it arbitrarily with Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. I did a quick example of how this works with Python. If we look here on the left, I have a really simple ShadowTraffic generator. It's creating events to a topic called hashed users, and it's doing something really simple just to make it very visible as to what I'm doing. I invoke a custom function written in Python. The file contents is in a file called custom functions, which we'll look at in just a second. And then it invokes a function called SHA1, and then I'm going to pass in an argument. This is actually using data that is generated by ShadowTraffic, feeding it into a custom function so that you can compose these two things together, and then it will lift that whole thing into the event. So if I run this, all I have to do is give it my Python code just so it can find it, and it takes a second to compile it. It runs it natively in memory, and then you see these pairs. We see some text, which are file names, and then we see the SHA content, the SHA1 of the file name itself. Just a simple example. If I look at the code, it's probably what you'd expect. It's just some basic Python code. This runs on Graal VM, so it uses Graal's implementation of Python, I think 3.7 or 3.9. Don't quote me on that. It's in the doc somewhere. But it just does a basic SHA1, takes in the parameters of the text that we saw, and then returns it as a value. And that's all there is to it. This is a really nice extension point that will let you add whatever flexibility you need to your ShadowTraffic generators.